Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. As you saw at the beginning of the video, I am using software to automatically mass comment on videos on TikTok. You can use this method to comment on videos that are going viral, which will attract a lot of customers. People might even message you directly. If you're interested in this tool, make sure to watch the entire video to learn how to use it. Here is the software interface. First, the software helps you manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts. As you can see, I have a whole list of TikTok accounts here. You can either create these TikTok accounts yourself or buy new TikTok accounts. Next, I'll go to the sitting fashion section. Here there are many different options for you to choose from. For example, you can use it to increase engagement or boost engagement for a specific keyword in a particular video, and you can also increase engagement for live streams on TikTok. So today, I'll be increasing engagement for a video, so you'll select the setting video section here. First, you just need to enter the link of that video into the software. Now let me give you an example. I'll just paste the video link here. Let me repeat here. You can set various parameters such as how many seconds you want the video to be watched. For example, I'm setting it to 500 milliseconds. Or if you want to add likes to the video, you can click here, and for comments, you can click here as well. Here, I'll enter the comment content, the comments you want to post on the video. For example, hello, good, or mtrantai mkt. I'll enter the content here, and for each comment, you should put it on a new line. Here, I have 4 comments, so I'll save them. Next, you'll select all the TikTok accounts you want to use. If you want a specific account to comment, just select that account. Then, you just need to press the start button. As you can see on the screen, the software will automatically open a series of TikTok accounts, open them automatically, and go to the link you entered in the software. It will automatically watch the video for you and start commenting according to the script and content you've prepared. Yes, as you can see, the software is now automatically generating those comments. So when you use this software, you can automatically post hundreds or even thousands of comments on TikTok videos. Okay, so now I'll go back and check to see if the video has received any comments yet. This is the video from earlier, which originally had no comments. Let me refresh it. There, as you can see, the number of comments has increased. Yes, and here are a bunch of comments that I just used the software to automatically post, a whole series of them.